Copy, sir. It's important, sir, for respect other people, you know. Well, I want to join to the army to help you guys enforce the law for peace in this facility, sir. Doing the right rules and follow the guidance. Oh, for respect, you know, follow the order, follow the chain of command, sir. Those are important things. Oh, for your rank, like sir, madam, or you know, general. Yes, sir. Copy that, sir. Don't worry, I'll follow that procedure, sir. If it's a right order, I follow, sir. That's how we do. Follow the chain of command, sir. Pardon me, sir. Oh no, sir. Not at all times, sir. Oh, do the body cam, sir, or record it and report it for the to the higher rank, sir. I don't think I have a good reason to leave, and I have to let you, the general or higher rank, if I have an decision making, sir. I don't think it's allowed, sir. No, sir. Unless I or order or authorized by the higher rank, sir. Definitely, yes, sir. If that's an order or that's a requirement, I can comply, sir. I'm English. I'm Filipino, sir, but I can, talk English and understand English. No, no, sir. I'm Filipino. No, yeah, Philippines. Yeah, English too. Yeah. Oh yeah, for real. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. I used to be a nurse practitioner. Yeah, we do the micro. Okay. Oh, nice, sir. Okay, sir. Where to do that one? In the Discord, sir? Or? All right, sir. Thank you, sir. Can I add you, sir? Okay, sir. Do I have to do it now or later, sir? All right, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it, sir.
Yeah, it's not letting me. um, my new phone comes in on Monday, which is tomorrow.
Could one of you gentlemen or ladies run my gate training, please?